Akala ko matalinong tao ka. Baka mamaya, nagsabuatan lang yung Carla Dani na yan para paniwalain ka na siya yung tunay mong anak.
I don't think the DNA test is so.
Naku, Uncle, you have to redo the tests. Hindi rin ako papayag na siya ang tagapagmana ng kumpanya mo. I worked hard for years.
Oh, Gabriela. No. You didn't work hard. Edgar and all your staff did all the hard work for you. Alam din ni Mr. Smith na once a week ka lang pumasok sa opisina. You only stay there for 2 hours the most.
At least I show up. Eh, yung maid na yan, ano ba napatunayan niya?
Well, you should know. She has been secretly training Dan and my guidance. She has surpassed all the trainings in the US. And their newly launched project, Palace Restaurant, going to be opening in 4 cities within the year.
Not only that, 5 years na nag-observe si Carla sa mga resorts and hotels under the Smith Corporation. Under the Smith Corporation.
Copy that,